Hello friends, on this video how you can use dual apps or clone apps on your OPPO mobile phone. You can say even twin app also. So friends, before we set up this dual apps on your mobile phone, friends, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all friends, here you have to move on setting. After that, from here you can just scroll on the down, but you don't know where is the app cloner. Okay, so here you can search for the app clone or dual apps or the app twin. Okay, there is the three words. Okay, dual apps, app cloner or the twin apps. Okay, so here first of all I search for the dual. Okay, dual app, but there is no option for the dual app, so let's search for the twin app. For the twin app also there is no option, so let's search for the app cloner. App cloner. So here is the option for the app cloner. So friends, you have to click on the app cloner. Okay, when you click on app cloner, from here you can set dual apps for the Facebook, Instagram and for the WhatsApp. Okay, even for the Twitter also, but I don't have Twitter, so I cannot set up for it. Okay, so I have turned off this all apps. You can see here off. There is no dual apps, but if you want to set up dual apps here for the Facebook or for the Instagram, then suppose I want to set up for the Facebook, so I select the Facebook. Then after it says create app clone. If you want to create app clone, then just click on this icon here, just tap on it. When you tap on it, here you can see creating app clone. Okay, it's just creating app clone, then you have to wait for it. Then here it says Facebook clone added to home screen. So let's move on home screen, and from here we have to check for the app cloner. So here is the original app and here is the app clone. Okay, this is the fake app. Okay, this is the another app. So this is how you can set two apps in your mobile phone. You can even use two ID if you want to use. Okay, this will be another ID and here will be another ID you can use on it. Okay, you can use for the WhatsApp also if you want to use. You can use for the Instagram also if you want to use. Okay, but if you want to remove your dual apps, then just click on this icon again and click on this icon. Then it says delete Facebook clone. Deleting Facebook clone will be in irreversibly deleted all its data. It will delete every all data. Okay, the another Facebook. Okay, that is new Facebook. Just click on delete and from here let's check on it. Here the fake Facebook has been deleted and the original Facebook will not be deleted. Okay, so friends, hope you understand the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.